This is a road. This is a road. A road.
I'm not driving through that. He's not doing it.
This is a road.
I just gotta get to 45 north.
This is a road that we're on.
Turn right onto Beamer Road. Turn right onto Beamer Road.
I gotta go to work in this. Remember that. I'm a security guard and I gotta go to fucking work in this. I can't leave. I can't call out. I can't do nothing. This is so bad. The water's getting into my shit and fucking with my air conditioning.
Yeah.
Turn on Beamer Road for 3/4 of a mile.
This isn't good. This is dangerous. This is a road. It's even up
There's
the.
a
It's
fucking river off to my left. I
There's-
see a sewer.
there's a.
Oh fuck! This man cut me down! This man cut me down!
So.
This man cut me
Okay.
down!
I know.
Piece of fucking filth!
I know. Okay. They didn't do it on purpose.
I'm so distracted by the fact that I'm running late for work.
Never mind, you're running late for work. I'd rather you be late than us getting into a bad situation that we can't get out of. Holy shit! Alright, slow down if you can. Slow down, okay. Whoa.
Come on, Moose. You gotta do it, man.
Eddie.
Yeah, I'm stopping. I know how to stop.
Okay, but
It's gone. It's gone. The road is gone. I repeat, the road is gone.
yeah. Okay, but you're giving me a
Well, calm down.
because you're right on that car. You're giving
Not
me a
really.
panic attack.
Mother, you drive worse than me.
That's when the roads are dry. This is
You
not
still
dry
can't-
road.
You still can't fuck
This
anybody.
is-
You can't fuck another car in the ass.
This isn't dry roads. This is a lake, a river. I don't even know this is supposed to be a road. Oh my god.
Car anal is illegal. Great, now my car's grunting because it can't fucking get out of water. Look at this river.
Yeah, I see. Here, take my phone, record over there. It's recording right now. Is that supposed to
And I gotta go to work. Fucking truck, splash, splash, splash.
Oh my god.
This must be nice if a big truck can just drive through this shit.
Yeah. Okay, this is dry here, but
Yeah, but now I'm going the wrong way.
1,000 feet. Turn left to stay on Beamer Road.
oh my god.
I can't use Beamer Road. There is no Beamer Road anymore.
What Beamer Road? Right? There is no Beamer Road. This is not good. This is extremely dangerous.
Take the next left to stay on Beamer Road.
There is no Beamer Road.
There is no Beamer Road. We go left, we're gonna end up in the lake again.
In 400 feet, turn left onto Sage Park Lane. Turn left onto Sage Park Lane.
The Hughes Road is gone, lady. I got a plan.
They dug a trench because they have so much water. And all days did you have to break on me, Nail?
Hughes Road.
I don't even know if I can do food deliveries today because of this.
Don't even try.
What is this bumper to bumper cars here? I mean, one car was literally on top of another.
Turn left onto Hughes Road.
Now I'm gonna turn right on the Hughes Road.
Oh my god.
In 600 feet, make a Sage Meadow Lane.